Welcome back in the episode 3 of the list building. Quick question for you. Would you open a physical store and run a business without a phone? Of course not, right? Well, starting an online business without an autoresponder is basically the same thing. You would be missing out on your most powerful communication line, the one that builds a relationship, drives traffic, and closes sales even while you sleep. But why you need an autoresponder basically? It works 24/7 to build trust with your list. It keeps your audience warm and engaged. And more importantly, it turns subscribers into buyers automatically. Once you preload your autoresponder with a few high quality messages, it does the heavy lifting while you focus on what really matters to you, like creating new offers, growing your business, or just enjoying your life. Think of it as your personal sales assistant, one that never takes a break. If you don't have one yet, I will give you a link for your done for you funnel. Okay, so you can install it in minutes today. In the next video, I will show you how to start making money even while a tiny list. So stay tuned. You won't want to miss it, right? Click the subscribe button below if you haven't done yet. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.